and you're showing off, but it's alright. It's a short life, yeah. That's a real one in your reflection without a follow.
Hi sweets, how y'all babies doing today? So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get big, voluminous, curly hair from your wash and goes. So no long talking, let's just go. So to do a wash and go, you gotta wash. You gotta wash. So our hair is clean, and I like to use leave-in conditioner after I wash my hair and just, you know, get it nice and moisturized, conditioned, you know, those things. Leave-in conditioner that I use is from Cantu, and this is the Shea Butter one. And I typically detangle my hair in sections and just work my way up for my wash and goes. So I'm gonna take the front and just separate it. What I'll do is I'll go in with my good pure lean ear oil, because I'm an ear oil I use from birth. Like, at least my mother used to put in my ear when she used to box me, when she used to lick me with a comb or so. You understand? So I'm just gonna take some of that, and I'm just gonna run this all through the hair, and then I'm gonna go in with my Den1 brush and then detangle. You guys remember as a child when like your parents would detangle your hair, and even when you detangle them would have just still run through it, like you can feel no knots, but them just wouldn't stop run through it? And you just my mother do that? Like me, I remember sitting down and my mother comb my hair and I'd be mad as hell. So to do my wash and go, all I use is Eco Styler gel and my hair oil, because you guys know that's literally all I use in my hair. So I'm just gonna take some gel, and you can use as little or as much as you like. I like to use a lot, truth be told. So I'm just taking the gel and finger combing it through my hair, through the section. And I'm making sure that I catch the root. I'm making sure that I get products at the root of the hair. And then I go in with my Den1 brush and detangle. And the Den1 brush, like I said in my last wash and go, like it's the key to curls. Like it's a curl clumper. So now, and then going back in with a little bit more oil, I'm just gonna run it through the hair. I'm just gonna palm it through the hair, and then I like to go in smaller sections from the section and just run my fingers through it. So I just finger comb it, and this just ensures that I don't have too much frizz. So this is the section, and as you can see, like my hair be super defined. Like the hair gods be like, go on girl, we got you. So I want to run you guys through the technique one more time, especially considering that I do the front of my hair in a lot smaller sections than the back, because the front of my ear is stubborn. So I'm gonna split this section into 3, and then I'm gonna go in with my hair oil, detangle, go in with the gel from root to end. That's a real one, your reflection, real one, your reflection, that's a real one, your reflection, real one, your reflection, that's a real one, real one, that's a real one, real one. Damn, mommy. Real one, that's a real one. Alright guys, so this is the hair. We went through all of it, finger combed all of it. And this is what we're looking like. A little lifeless, but still curly and defined and cute. But not like, whoa, big hair, don't care. And that's what we're trying to get to. So what I like to do is, I like to diffuse my hair from the root. So I like to do the root as well as tuck the ends into it and then dry it that way. And I don't ever, I always like do angles so I can ensure that it dries in different directions. So I like have my hair like this, I have like my head down, like I be all over the place just trying to get this volume, okay?
That's the real one, no reflection. Real one, no reflection. That's the real one, no reflection. Real one, no reflection. You don't know, but it's alright.
Alright, so this is the hair after I diffuse it. As you can see, the shrinkage is very apparent. So though, we gotta pick it, make it big, make us closer to God. Amen. Let go. So I just like to go in and pick while I use my hand to stretch the hair. So I like hold it taut. Yeah. How about me English update? And I'll just pick the roots to get it bigger.
That's a real one in your reflection. Oh. That's a real one, your reflection. Real one, your reflection. That's a real one, your reflection. Real one, your reflection. That's a real one, real one, real one, real one. That's a real one, real one. Damn, mommy. Real one, real one.
Alright guys, I fluffed my hair to the desired height. This is as close to God as we're gonna get with our hair right now, because you know, like, I can hear you, Jesus. Yes, what's that you watching on TV? Yes, like, I be that close. Like, I know. The secret to big hair is a pick. Like, where that do? Where? You know. Alright, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel already, honey, do you see this face? Get your act right. Subscribe now. And I'll see you in the next upload. Bye. Hi sweets. Was that video big hair goals or not? If you'd like to see more of my videos, be sure to click the link here, here, or here. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, click the link here. Happy watching.